نخش في الموضوع النهارده. هيبقى عباره عن او العنوان بتاعه Think in English from thinking to speaking. طيب ده ان دل على شيء هيدل على ان احنا ازاي هنستخدم الانجليزي او بمعنى اصح ازاي هنبدا نشوف ازاي نفكر بالانجلش الاول وبعد كده نتكلم بيه. دكتور نهلة هتعرض لنا دلوقتي الاساليب او الطريقه اللي احنا بنفكر فيها في الوقت العادي وبالطريقه العاديه بلغتنا او باي لغه ايا كانت، وازاي احنا بنفكر وبنتكلم وبنعمل، يعني بنتحدث ازاي وبنعمل ازاي. وبعد كده هتبدا تخش معانا في موضوع جميل ويا ريت لو حضراتكم بقى تركزوا معانا فيه. هنبدا دلوقتي وان شاء الله اللي هيخش معانا يعني هيستفيد برضو بالجزء اللي هو هيحضره. هسيب معاكم دلوقتي دكتور نهلة وتبدا هي الكلام وانا موجود برضو معاكم.
Okay. Hello, everybody. How are you doing? I hope that you're doing great. Today, inshallah, we're going to talk about how to think into English. يعني إزاي أنا أفكر بالإنجليش. طيب. What's the difficulty in thinking into English? إيه أكتر ممكن أكتر صعوبة تقابلنا في إن إحنا أصلاً نفكر بالإنجليش؟ حاجة بسيطة جداً. مبدئياً أنا لما أحب مثلاً لو أنا هسألك مثلاً سؤال مثلاً يعني for example لو هقول لك مثلاً What did you do yesterday؟ فأنت هتقعد تفكر What did you do yesterday؟ أنا عملت إيه إمبارح؟ بعد كده تبدأ تقول لنفسك أنا إمبارح رحت النادي وبعد كده لعبت تنس مع أصحابي وبعد كده خرجنا واتفسحنا ورحنا السينما. طب إزاي بقى أقول الكلام ده بالإنجليش؟ خاصة لو اللي سألك السؤال ده حد أوريدي بيتكلم إنجليش بس وما ينفعش ترد عليه بالعربي، مش هيفهمك. تبدأ أنت بقى تترجم أنا إمبارح كنت في النادي أو رحت النادي يبقى I went to the club. طيب وبعد كده لعبت مع أصحابي تنس مثلا خلاص and I played tennis with my friends. طيب وبعد كده بقى عملنا إيه؟ أنا خرجت مع أصحابي مثلا رحنا السينما مثلا and after that I went to the cinema. وبعد كده بقى تبدأ تجمع الأفكار دي خلاص وتقولها لي بجملة واحدة into English. الله، طب هو ده هيبقى بشكل سريع؟ هل ده هيبقى بشكل فيه تلقائية؟ هيبقى spontaneous؟ يعني is it gonna happen spontaneously؟ يعني ده هيحصل بطريقة تلقائية منك or is it gonna happen in a slow motion؟ هيحصل بطريقة زي التصوير البطيء. طبعا ده هيحصل بالتصوير البطيء، ده هيعطلك عن ان انت اصلا تجاوب. خلينا صراحة مع بعض وخلينا يعني نتكلم بشكل واضح اكتر. انت اي حد هيسألك اي حاجة بالانجلش انت هتعمل كده، هتبدأ تفكر في الإجابة بالعربي وبعد كده يعني الأول هتترجم معنى السؤال بالعربي وبعد كده تبدأ تفكر في الإجابة بالعربي وبعد كده ترجع تترجم إجابتك أنت من عربي لإنجلش، صح كده؟ خلينا متفقين دوت بيحصل. Already it's gonna make your answer in a slow motion. It's gonna make your brain work in a slow motion. هيخلي مخك يشتغل بالتصوير البطيء عشان تدي الإجابة. ده من الآخر. تمام؟ وده اللي احنا هنتكلم فيه النهارده. And I'm gonna make share screen. Second. ده حرفيا اللي بيحصل معاك. تمام؟ في اي سؤال بتساله او في اي حاجه انت عايز تقولها، حتى لو انت مش هتسال سؤال، اول حاجه بتيجي في دماغك انا عايزه اقول كذا مثلا، من غير حتى ما تتسال، وبعد كده تبدا تترجم كذا ده من عربي خلاص لانجلش، بعد كده تبدا ترد. اوكي؟ So how do we try to speak? That's what happens. ده ال path that our brain follows. يعني our brain already follows this path. Okay? It follows this path. For example, if I asked you the question, just like the example that I have asked you, نفس الexample اللي أنا سألته لك, what did you do yesterday مثلا. فأنت okay, you understand the question. أنت فاهمه it's already, يعني it's already understood. مفهوم. Okay? طيب you're gonna translate it into Arabic in your mind. هتترجمه بالعربي مثلا في دماغك. بعد كده you think about the answer into Arabic. هتفكر في الإجابة بالعربي. تمام؟ And then translate back into English. تبدا بقى تترجم اللي انت قلته اللي انت يعني اجابته مثلا بالعربي في ذهنك، تبدا تترجمه بالانجلش. بعد كده بقى تبدا تتكلم بقى. ده بقى اللي بيعمل ايه؟ سلو داون وسلو موشن في الانسرز. طيب انا بقى هنا عندي سؤال. if I wanna you to explain a simple word into English مثلا، مش عايزه اي حد بقى يتكلم عربي خالص، وعايزه الناس تفتح المايكس ترد عليا، يعني I want you to open the mics and answer me. Okay? Deal. طيب chef. What's the meaning of chef? If I want you explain the meaning of chef. When I say chef, what comes to your mind into English? Don't take any time to answer me. Just say what's in your mind. Yani if I'm gonna have Ahmed, for example, Ahmed, explain the meaning of the word chef and don't use any Arabic word. Don't use the word chef. Huh?
He's a person wearing white clothes, cooks in the kitchen.
Excellent. Thank you. هو ما فكرش هنا بالعربي، هو قال الصورة الذهنية اللي جت في ذهنه ووصفها بسرعة. مش شرط بسرعة، بس على الأقل هو وصفها بالإنجلش بسمبل word. A person wears white clothes and cooks in the restaurant, in the hotel, in the kitchen, whatever. Okay? Fine. If I have here, let's say umbrella. Ziad, explain it.
something we بستخدمه يعني
Don't use any Arabic word
ماشي.
and don't wait. يعني when I ask you umbrella,
It's
just
something
answer me without taking time. Huh?
It's something protect me from sun, from water, from
From
rain.
raining, from the rain. Excellent. Something that protects me from the sun in the summer, from the rain in the winter. Thank you. Let's have Muhammad Saleh. Please open the mic. Open the mic, Muhammad.
He's left, I think.
No. Muhammad Saleh.
Yes.
Hello, Muhammad. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Great. Yeah. I know this smile and this laugh. I know you. I know you like many years ago. Yes. My student. Okay.
عامل ايه؟ عربي بقى
I'm
كده
great.
يعني.
والله الحمد لله محمد. والله يعني I miss you too much and I'm very happy and it's my pleasure to have you today. Actually.
نسيت الانجليزي. I forgot English بقى. يلا.
لا هنفتكروا تاني مع بعض، ما تقلقش، هتفتكروا غصب عنك، ما تقلقش. Thank you, Muhammad. Muhammad, what's the meaning of wallet? And don't wait to think. Say it. Wallet.
I save my money. Some money.
Again?
I save my money and my cards.
Okay. Great.
And
Thank you. هو قال ايه؟ هو عبر عن المعنى، قال ايه؟ I save my money and my card. طبعا هو المفروض يقول ان هي الحاجه اللي بستخدمها عشان ايه؟ يعني something that I use to put my money and my card in, or something in which I put my money and my card. بس هو عبر بلغته هو بطريقه بسيطه جدا وما استخدمش كلمه wallet، ما استخدمش اي كلمه عربي، حتى الكلمه اللي هو مش عارف يقولها ان هو مثلا something او شيء اللي تاهت عن باله وقت ما هو كان بيتكلم ما هموش، هو قال لك I save my money and my card. هو وصل المعنى، وده اهم شيء، انك توصل اللي قدامك المعنى حتى لو في بعض الكلمات غايبه عنك. You didn't wait to think about the word of the meaning of the word شيء. ما لا هو I save my money and my card. Okay, that's what I need from you. Ritesh, please open your mic.
Mic.
Ritesh, what's the meaning of dentist? Huh?
Someone who treats my teeth مثلا.
Excellent. هي don't say any Arabic word, okay?
For example, someone who treats my teeth.
Excellent. طبعا هي يعني she didn't wait to think about the meaning of the word doctor. يعني هي كلمة doctor دي حتى بالعربي أو بالإنجليش تايهة عن بالها، بس هي عارفة إن هو حد بيساعدنا أنا إيه؟ To cure or to treat my teeth. someone someone what did you say ريتاج؟
who treats my teeth.
someone who treats my teeth. هي عبرت بلغتها، هي عارفه كلمه يعالج يعني treat مثلا، كانت ممكن تقول treat pure، كانت ممكن تقول مثلا take care of، بس هي اول كلمه جت في دماغها قالتها، ما استنتش ان هي تفكر، ما استنتش تفكر ان هي تقول كلمه دكتور، لا someone who treats my teeth. كلمات بسيطه وكلمات سهله، واللي اسهل من كلمه treat someone who takes care of my teeth for
My
example.
teeth.
Thank you Ritesh, excellent. Ahmed, if I
Yes.
say here, what's the meaning of, if I ask you, what's the meaning of bicycle? Huh?
It's something that I can ride it to go to any place I want.
Okay, something that I can ride to go to any place I want. هو برضو ما استناش ان هو يعبر بالطريقه الصح او يترجم الفكره الصح اللي في دماغه، وقال لك حاجه انا بستخدمها عشان اوصل لاي مكان انا عايزه. الكلام ده ينطبق على حاجات كتير، الكارز، البايسكل، الفان،
I can add
buses.
something for it.
Okay,
It's a shape of two wheels. I use my legs to go with it, or when I ride it to go to any place I want.
he tries to think more into English, that the bicycle is something that has two wheels and I use it to get to any place I want to go. Okay. By any way, he tries to explain the meaning in his mind into simple English words. Okay. كل واحد بحسب ايه لغته. It's according to your language, which is great. Thank you. Muhammad, please close the mic. Muhammad Saleh, close the mic because some noise. Thank you. Ziad. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Pillow is something I sleep on it.
Excellent. Something I sleep on it. طبعا هو عبر بلغته برضه، ما استناش ان هو يقول لك مثلا حاجه مثلا بحط عليها راسي او حاجه زي كده، وان هو يترجم المعنى الحرفي اللي في ذهنه بالعربي into English، بس دوت شيء كويس جدا. We can say something that I put my head on to sleep, or something I put under my head to sleep. Okay, which is very excellent yet. Couch, Ritesh.
Something I sit مش عارفة. I sit on it.
Don't try to think into Arabic. Don't think. Say whatever comes into your mind
مش
in
عارفة
English.
أصلا، أنا عمالة أفكر في الكنبة أصلا بتعمل إيه يعني. مش عارفة.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Let's go to
أنا بعيد.
Ahmed. What's the meaning of couch?
Me?
Yes.
Well, it's something that we can have in our living room where each person or each member of our family can sit on it while watching the TV.
Something that we have in the living room where everyone in our family can sit on. Many person. I can say هو برضه ما استناش على فكرة ان هو يقول كذا حد مثلا او more than one person، هو قال اللي في ذهنه which is great. Okay, it's something or something like a big chair, for example, that I have in the living room, and more than one can sit on it, which is great, Ahmed. Thank you. The idea here that I want to deliver to you is that you have to deliver the meaning that you have into your mind, even if with very simple English words or broken sentences or phrases. يعني اهم فكره بالنسبه لي هنا او اهم حاجه كنت عايزه اوصلها لكم ان انا اعبر عن نفسي، اعبر عن الفكره اللي جوايا حتى ولو بكلمات انجلش بسيطه جدا او ببعض الجمل المكسره زي محمد صالح مثلا قال لك ايه، قال لك I save my card and my money، وعبر بطريقه بسيطه جدا، وكان في بعض الكلمات ناقصه، بس هو عبر وصل الفكره اللي جواه بالانجلش حتى لو بطريقه بسيطه، حتى لو بعض الفريزز ايه بتبقى فيها حاجات مثلا كلمه ناقصه او السبجكت تمام او حاجه مش هتاثر، قال لك I save my money and my card وهكذا تمام. فده اللي انا كنت عايزه ايه اوصله لكم. طيب let me ask you about or let me tell you something else and it's gonna happen or it's gonna happen today and it's gonna help you today. في بعض الفريزز كده some phrases that I need you to use today during our discussion. في بعض الفريزز كده هي ما بتجيش في بالكم بالانجلش بسهوله، هي بتبقى اغلبيتها بالعربي في ذهنكم، ولكن احنا هنعرضها عليكم النهارده علشان وانا بتناقش معاكم في التوبيك وان شاء الله very interesting I'm sure of that. اوكي نستخدم بعض الفريزز دي اللي بقول عليها chunks. يعني ايه chunks؟ small parts of phrases or sentences that deliver our ideas. يعني بعض الاجزاء البسيطه كده مجتزأه من جمل او من تعبيرات معينه خلاص، او تعبيرات لفظيه معينه بتوصل المعنى، مش شرط يكون فيها بقى subject وverb وobject، لا هي فكره كده مثلا عايزه اوصلها او حاجه مثلا عايزه اقولها. تمام، انا بعتقد في شيء او مثلا اديني فرصه او كذا، اللي هي بعض الكلمات المختصره حتى باللغه العربيه خلاص احنا ممكن نقولها بالانجلش بمنتهى السهوله وما احتاجش انا افكر فيها بالانجلش اصلا. زي ايه مثلا؟ انا سالتك سؤال مثلا okay I asked Ziad a question but he needs time to answer. هو محتاج بعض الوقت ان هو يجاوب. سالته مثلا for example how can you cook pasta؟ انت ممكن ازاي مثلا تعمل باستا، تطبخها ازاي او تطهيها ازاي؟ فهو عارف بس هو عايز ياخد وقت مثلا ان هو يجمع الستبس انتو انجلش حتى بذهنه. تمام، فبيقول لي يعني give me a second، اديني بس ثانيه كده خلاص وبكده يبدا يجاوب. فبدل ما يقول لي اديني وقتي او اديني ثانيه خليني مثلا افكر او انا مش متاكد من الستبس بتاعتي، في بعض الحاجات اللي انا ممكن استخدمها عشان ايه to buy some time before the answer or to give the answer. Okay, like for example let me think, give me a second, that's a good question, or I'm not sure. But if I ask you about your opinion in something، انا سالتك عن رايك في شيء معين مثلا، فانت برضو عايز تقولي والله يعني انا اعتقد في كذا مثلا. تمام، بس انا مش عايزاك تقولها بالعربي خلاص، عايزاها تيجي في ذهنك بالانجلش على طول. ففي بعض برضو التشانكس ممكن I think, I don't think, in my opinion, as far as I'm concerned. بما ان انا مثلا مركز في الشيء ده فهدي رايي مثلا بناء عليه. or personally والله شخصيا I do so and so and so، انا شخصيا بعمل كذا 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 مثلا. اوكي or I believe زيها زي مثلا I think، يعني I think انا بعتقد or I believe انا بعتقد في صحه الشيء دوت او عندي تصور معين مثلا. فدي برضو ممكن نستخدمها معانا. هستاذنكم بس نعمل حاجه بسيطه جدا just يعني in just a few seconds I need you to take a photo of these phrases. عايزاكم كده وانتوا قاعدين تاخدوا كده فوتو كده عندكم على الموبايل من السمارت فون بالكاميرا للفريزز دي، عشان واحنا قاعدين شغالين لو حد مثلا يعني لا قدر الله يعني نسي خلاص تبقى قدامه. اوكي، بس ده هيكون تمرين سريع ان احنا ايه نستخدم الحاجات دي بطريقه سريعه كده مع بعض. فبليز in just a few seconds take a photo for these expressions
Done.
and then tell me to scroll up.
done.
Done. Okay. Ritaj and Muhammad, is it done?
Done. Yes.
Done. Muhammad.
Done.
Done. Okay. Right. Then we have some phrases to agree with someone, okay, about an idea or about an opinion. لو انا مثلا موافق الشخص ده في فكره هو بيقولها او في حاجه هو بيشرحها، فكره مشروع، ايا كان بقى، تمام، في الشغل، التيم ورك، المانجر whatever. So I can say I agree. يعني حتى واحنا قاعدين حتى مثلا نلاقي نفسنا حتى واحنا قاعدين حتى في ميتنج كده مع المانجر او التيم مانجر او التيم ليدر او whatever يعني or whoever. اوكي، واحنا بنتكلم بالعربي فلاقي نفسي ايه بقول كلمه كده بالانجلش yes you're right، انت صح، بس مش بقولها بقى بالعربي، بقولها ايه exactly you're right I agree with you or I agree I think so something like that. بنلاقي حتى احنا نفسنا واحنا قاعدين بنقولها ليه؟ لان احنا خلاص بقى اتعودنا، احنا عارفينها، مش محتاجين ناخد وقت. انا عايزه اقول انا موافق، انا هقولها ازاي؟ هقولها اي اجري؟ طب لا اي اجري، لا خلاص هي اوريدي متخزنه هنا في السبكونشس عندك او في اللاوعي، فانت بتقولها كده. طب ليه؟ لان هي عدت عليك كتير. اوكي، انت في حاجات ما بتديش نفسك فرصه انك تفكر فيها اصلا بالعربي وبعد كده ترجع ترجمها بالانجلش، صح كده؟ طيب لو انا بقى مش موافق على الفكره دي بس انا عايز اظهر عدم موافقتي او اعتراضي بطريقه ايه شيك كده ومهذبه، يعني to disagree in a polite way. Okay, so I have disagreeing chunks, okay, which are politely okay, which are in a polite way. يعني I can say polite chunks to show the disagreeing. بستخدم بعض التعبيرات دي المهذبة عشان أظهر عدم إيه موافقتي على الشيء ده. Like what? I don't think so. يعني حتى احنا قاعدين برضه نفس الشيء، أنا مش موافقة على الفكرة اللي بطرحها زميلي في الشغل أو أيا كان، فبقول إيه I don't think so. Or I'm not sure about that. والله أنا مش متأكد. I'm not sure about that. Okay. أو أنت عندك مثلا وجهة نظر مختلفة، فعايز مش عاجباك وجهة النظر دي، فأنت شايف إن في طريقة أفضل، بس برضه أنت بتتكلم بطريقة مثلا يعني in a polite way, in a kind way، بتقول I have a different opinion or I disagree. Right? يعني something like that. So you show your disagreement in a polite way أو بتظهر عدم موافقتك بطريقة برضه إيه شيك شوية. فبليز لو سمحت in just a few seconds I need you to take a photo of these chunks. It's gonna help us today inshallah. And just confirm.
Already
Okay?
done and finished it.
Great Ahmed, you are excellent. ها انت بقى لو like done it done. زياد
very done.
very done. ها ريتاج
done.
done. محمد
So done.
so done and ريتاج just done. Okay.
خلاص تمام خلاص تمام.
قاعدين بنخترع انجليزي، واحد يقول فيري فيري دان وواحد يقول مش عارف ايه، بس قشطه ماشي.
Great. Okay. So let me ask you about something. Do you remember what happened last Monday in the dawn or in الفجر؟ إيه اللي حصل؟ ها؟ Do you remember what happened last Monday in الفجر in the dawn at 3 o'clock?
Earthquake.
Earthquake, yes. Yes, an earthquake. Yes, I agree with you. Thank you, Muhammad. But can all of you, I need you to answer me. Can you tell me how did you start to feel the earthquake? How did you start the feeling of there is an earthquake? So how did you feel it?
Well, it might be kind of funny, but I was laying on my bed and I felt that my bed is shaking while I'm laying on it. And at the beginning, I didn't understand that it was an earthquake. My brain was not braining, I guess. So I just waited for some seconds and then I felt it again. And then I started to run to my family, telling them that there is an earthquake in our house. Oh.
Yes, at the very beginning, let me tell you something. And it was a slight or a very weak shaking or moving. And then it started to be very strong. Yeah, actually, that's why you have said now. At the very beginning, I felt that there is a movement in the bed. And when it happened again, you imagined, انت تخيلت بقى ان هي حصلت تاني. No, it wasn't again. It was the same, but it got much more stronger. Right? بدأ هو يقوى بعد كده, right?
Yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah, thank you. What about Ziad? And you are Ahmad's brother. So what happened? How did you start to feel the earthquake that happened last Monday?
I sit in my.
I was sitting. Okay, continue. How did you start to feel? To be clear about my question, how did you start to feel the earthquake, and what happened? What did you do after that?
My mother phone is notified about that. And I not understand what we're doing. Yeah.
Yes.
Then I feel about the house or about the home is dancing or something.
The home is dancing.
Yes.
مثلا.
And I like my brother, I will stand up and run in the house.
اجري يا مجدي بتقعد بقى ايه؟ حد بيقول لك مثلا ايه بالبلدي كده، سوري في اللفظ يعني، ان هو خد طرف جلابيته في اسنانه وجري، يعني سوري في التعبير البلدي ده يعني، بس ده يعني
yes.
العافيه تحكم يعني.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you, Ziad. Let's go to Ritaj. How did you start to feel the earthquake?
I was in my bed and I didn't think it was an earthquake until my sister called me and she was shocked. يعني, I think when she called me, this is an earthquake. There is a problem now.
هو ما كانش بروبلم، هو كان خضة.
كنت قاعدة
you.
عادي مش فاهمة أصلا يا ماشي.
لو what's going on، لو ما تحسش ما تبصش يعني، فاهمة ازاي؟
بالظبط.
Yes, thank you ريتاج. محمد، نيجي بقى للبيج باس بقى. محمد.
I didn't
How
do
did-
anything. I didn't
What?
do anything. I didn't do anything.
But my question here, wait. ما تاخدني كده. Wait. My question here, how did you start to feel? What did make you feel that there is an earthquake? Huh?
This is normal for me, really. And after I was wake up in the morning, I survey on Facebook what happened.
Yeah. You want to tell me that you were sitting like that? There is an earthquake. Whatever.
Normal. This is normal. Okay. Especially last years, I think earthquake happened in Egypt.
Yeah.
Especially since 1992.
1999.
Yes, 90.
Yeah, it 1990. No, 1992. I'm sorry. 1992. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Yes, I'm very sorry.
بس يعني اوكي يعني like earthquake 1999 too.
1992. I have confused you. I'm sorry.
Yes, I was a child يعني when I was a child. Okay.
Yes, thank you, Muhammad. Actually, let me tell you something. This is the second strongest earthquake that happened ever in Egypt after the earthquake of 1992. ده كان تاني أكبر زلزال. The difference between 1992 and 2026, the earthquake, which was very strong, that happened in 1992, actually it was a little bit longer in time. يعني كان the same strength، كان نفس الشدة, but it was longer. It has taken 60 seconds, 1 minute. But اللهم لك الحمد يعني من رحمة ربنا, in 2026 it was just for 15 or 20 seconds, something like that يعني. Or I think I felt it for 30 seconds, but they have said 15 seconds. هم قالوا 15 بس انا اعتقد ان هو كان 30 ثانية يعني، ما كانش كده. But the last question here, Mr. Muhammad Gouda, why are you laughing during our discussion? I can notice.
First of all, I felt that Mr. Muhammad Saleh was living in an earthquake-built area. وحسيت ان هو عايش في حزام زلازل، فهو بيشوف ان الموضوع عادي، مش عارف ليه.
توكل على الله only.
توكلنا على الله كلنا يعني. The last earthquake I didn't felt it. I was sleeping, and it's not the thing that I will wake up because of it. انا مش هصحى عشان زلزال، ما خلاص انا نايم يعني حتى لو واحد يعني جرى له حاجه هبقى نايم بقى خلاص، مش هيجرى له حاجه.
Really.
But the last year earthquake, I felt it while I was sitting like this on my chair, and I was putting a leg on another leg, and okay, it's an earthquake. Just like you, I just did this.
Yeah, he was sitting cross legs like that. طيب Mr. محمد معلش يعني معلش طب النظر عند كله بقى يعني from the beginning of our discussion you about the earthquake, from the first second I have seen you smiling. Why? I have seen you that you were smiling. Why?
والله واحد كان بيرقص السرير، وواحد كان بيرقص البيت. يعني انا بالنسبه لي قاعد بضحك على اللي هم بيقولوا يعني.
اه البيت بيرقص والسرير بيرقص.
يعني لو كان في جن في البيت كان هيبقى اسهل من كده، كان هيبقى يعني مفيد اكتر.
Can I say something?
Okay,
Yes.
go.
At the beginning, I thought it's Ginny.
يا
Wow,
رب.
wow, wow, it's wow. It's wow. Amazing.
Yeah, after
هيسيب
this,
الدنيا
I
كلها ويجي
recognized.
يرقص لك. يعني هو هيسيب شغله ويجي يرقص لك بقى قدامك عشان يجي يخوفك. ده اللي هيعمله الجن.
Yes,
ربنا
yes.
ربنا يكون.
Okay, thank you. Now let's have these pictures. Yeah, what can you see in these pictures here in on the screen? Can you describe it? What can you see here?
Would you please adjust the picture, please, Dr. Nahla? Just
Okay, I will make it. Yeah, I think
Zoom
it's.
for number one. Yeah, zoom for number one.
Yeah. Okay. You want to take it picture? I want to take it as a whole to give them.
Let them read it.
Okay, I got you. Okay, what can you see in the first picture here? Can you tell me?
ما هو مكتوب يعني قولي المكتوب.
No, just describe what's going on the photo.
I think the people
كان their work حاجة.
Anyone can start. Okay, it's okay.
People using a routine, daily routine.
Yeah, they are in their usual daily routine. Excellent. Thank you. Great. And what about the second picture? What's going on here?
I guess they were confused.
Yani
about something
let's
happened.
I will hide the writing or the sentences. I don't need them to read because they will be confused. I need you to describe from your imagination. Huh?
I guess they're shocked because something happened. Like they felt something, or there was something that made them shocked or confused.
Yes, they started to feel that there's something wrong. Yeah, great. Yeah, thank you. And then what happened here? What's going on?
The building falls.
The building
falls.
is what?
المفروض انهار يعني حاجة وقعت falls مثلا.
مش عايزة حد يفكر بالعربي ويترجم. مش عايزة ده. What comes to your mind? Say it, even if it's wrong.
Fall. The building fall.
Yeah, the building here is falling down. And what else?
and people
are scared.
And the people
What
start
people?
to run.
All people running.
All the people are running. What else?
Well, they said the people are running, and I can see that they are scared from what happened.
They are very scared. Actually, they are very scared. They are very frightening. They are very afraid.
Yeah.
Yes. Why? Why do you think? Actually, I have here the building is falling down, just like what Ritash said. But what's the reason of this falling down? Why is it falling down? Can you imagine?
Because there was an earthquake.
Yes. And what's the idea of the earthquake? And what's the relation between the earthquake and the falling of the building?
Let me think about it.
Okay. عندنا هو واحد هو بدأ ان هو يستخدم الchunks اللي احنا قلنا عليها. Let me think about it. اتمنى كذا حد يستخدمها يعني الchunks عموما. The chunks in general.
I guess that when the earthquake happens, there is like strong shakes in the ground that make the buildings not stable, so they might fall down.
Excellent, thank you. هنا بقى عندنا كذا حاجة. We have here many different vocab. Okay. The number one, what Ritash said, the building is falling down. Okay. falling down which is collapsing. collapse to collapse to fall down. هو بدأ ان هو ايه ينهار already بينهار. Okay. طيب and Ahmed here is saying what's happening here is that the earthquake, because of the earthquake, the ground started to shake, to move, to shake. There is a shake, there is a movement, okay, in the ground. بدأ ان يكون في اهتزاز, shaking, moving because of the earthquake or اللي هو الزلزال يعني. Okay. طيب. And because of that, the buildings started to collapse, to fall down. يبقى collapse means what? Fall down. Okay? And the earthquake means what? من المعنى بقى اللي قاله أو وصف اللي قاله from the description that Ahmed said. من وصف أحمد هنا. يبقى ال earthquake into English, what does it mean? معنى earthquake بالإنجليش إيه؟ ها؟ The shaking of the ground. صح كده؟ ممكن حد يجيب حاجة من عنده مثلا؟ ها؟ طيب, okay. Let's go to the next one, which is photo number 4. And then what's going on here?
The people sit on the ground and protect themselves and their
Yes.
child.
Yes. And is it before or after or during the earthquake?
During
The earthquake. Excellent. They started to
they are helping people who need accident تقريبا.
Are they gonna help the people in the middle of the earthquake or during the earthquake? Is it logic? هل ده منطقي مثلا ان انا ابدا اساعد ناس اثناء الزلزال؟
I think the woman trying to save her ears.
It's a small family, but what are they doing here during the earthquake?
I don't know.
Well,
Everyone
I guess
looks serious and focused.
Okay, they look serious and focused, huh?
well, I guess that after the earthquake made all the buildings collapse, the people were very frightened.
This is during the earthquake, by the way. What's going on and what's happening here during the earthquake?
I can say that there are a lot of buildings collapsed.
Okay. And there is a father and a mother. They are trying to rescue or to cover their heads and to protect their son, right?
Yeah.
What about the people who are in the background of the picture or the photo? What are they doing? الناس اللي في الخلفية دي بتعمل إيه؟
trying to escape.
They run.
They run. They try to escape. Actually, they are escaping or they are running to escape from the earthquake. Thank you. Let's see the next one. What's going on here? What's happening here in this photo? Huh? Don't give yourself any chance to think into Arabic. Just say whatever comes to your mind.
Building are damaged or
yes, many buildings are damaged.
Okay.
What else?
Many people are walking.
Many people are walking. Is it during the earthquake? Are they still in the earthquake or did it finish?
After
I don't think
the
they're
earthquake.
still in.
Yeah, they are after the earthquake. So what's going on here after the earthquake and after the damaging that we have here in the photo? ايه اللي بيحصل هنا بقى بعد ما كل البيوت دي والمباني دي اتهدمت كده؟
They are intense. Yes, intense.
You mean they are thinking about tents?
Taking intense or instead
Houses. Okay.
Instead of homes.
Yes.
Yes.
اوكي طبعا هو محمد هنا قصدي يقول ان هو يعني they are thinking about where they're gonna live after the earthquake، هم هيعيشوا فين بعد كده، فهم بيفكروا بقى. هو ده اللي قصدي محمد يقوله.
Yes.
What else؟
Well, I kind of disagree with Mr. Muhammad.
Okay.
Because I think that this is after the earthquake just finished, and they're thinking, and also not just thinking, not thinking, actually, they're shocked from what the earthquake made for the town or the city.
Yes. They are shocked and they are afraid. They're frightened.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
What else, Ritesh?
After the building collapse, the people shocked about this shocked.
They are shocked. They are confused because of the trauma that they have. Because of the shock that they have, they are confused. They don't know what to do. They can't think well. They feel that there is something wrong in their heads, in their minds, in their brains. They can't think well, right? Yeah. And here, what's going on? Huh. Can you describe it?
He trying to keep his children or his child quiet and quiet.
Yeah, I have here a man who's trying to keep his child quiet. And what else?
The picture show friendship support.
Show what?
Support each other.
Yeah, you mean?
I
Okay.
see that.
Huh?
I see that. So I see the people was help us, and that's child or child or like children is crying.
Yeah. Actually, that you mean that they try to help each others? You mean that?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, they are here. They are looking for their families, their friends. They try to be sure that they are in safe. كده هم مثلا كويسين. Okay, and they try to help each other, even if they are not their friends or family, but they try to help anyone. حاول يساعد كل الناس الموجودة. Right? Right. The next one is very important, actually. The next photo, and let's say, or let's see, what's going on there? Yes, what's happening here?
I don't know the name of Zeus man, but I can
What
see
are
that
they
they
doing?
are
Describe
trying.
what are they doing?
They're trying to rescue the people from the collapse that happened to the buildings.
Yes. And how
there
can
are a
they
lot
rescue the people?
By removing the big I don't know the name. I cannot get
Rubbles.
it. But
Rubbles.
Yeah.
Rubbles.
Yeah. Rubbles.
The broken stones and the broken pieces of buildings. It's called rubbles. عارفين الركام ده؟ Rubbles. Okay, that's it. And how? Why? Let me ask a question. Why do they remove the rubbles? Why do
so
they do
can see, so they can see if there is someone under it or not, and mostly there are people under this rubble because of the earthquake.
You mean that they try to remove these rubbles to search for the people who are still alive?
Yeah.
Actually, they are search and rescue teams. عارفين دفاع المدني؟ That's it. Search and rescue teams. اللي هي فرق الإنقاذ والبحث والحاجات دي بتقول على دفاع مدني. صح كده؟
Okay.
Yes, we call them search and rescue teams, and they are moving the rubbles to find the people who are still alive. Now, let me ask you another question, and I need another one to answer me. The people who are still alive under these rubbles of the earthquake, what can I call them? What are their names? قول عليهم ايه كده بالانجلش او حتى بالعربي. But I need the English. يعني what comes into your mind, say it into English. The people who are still alive under the rubbles of the earthquake or the rubbles of a collapsed building. What can I call
I
it?
think that people have many damage in her body, and
But they are still alive.
yeah, some people and some people كده وكده.
But the people who are still alive and they are not dead, what can I call them? The dead are dead, Allah yarhamhum. But the other ones who are still alive, what can I call them? If you know.
Victims?
Victims, if they are in, let's say, breaking through, لو مثلا سطو مثلا أو حاجة حصل, or in terrorist or
Yes,
let's say an attack, terroristic attack مثلا لو هو هجوم إرهابي مثلا أو حاجة, or because of terrorism or something like that. But here I can call them survivors.
Yes.
Yeah, the survivors are the person who are still alive.
Yes, yes.
Okay, because of an earthquake or because of any collapse, even if it is usual one, حتى لو انهيار مبنى عادي بس في ناس. Okay, دول بيقولوا عليهم survivors. Or like in Gaza, if you remember what happened in Gaza, الله يعينهم يعني, the survivors after an attack, هم already كانوا برضو هم كانوا حاجتين في حاجة, ان هم survivors وان هم بقول عليهم ان هم victims, هم ضحايا وفي نفس الوقت ايه, هم victims. بس victims اتقال عليها ان هم the people who are already dead, هم already ماتوا فوق عنهم ضحية مثلا. اوكي, فبقى هم لسه تحت الانقاض او هم طلعوهم بس هم dead مثلا, فبقول عليهم هم مثلا اوكي victims. بس survivors they are still alive after the attack, like in Gaza or after the earthquake. Okay, right. And after that, what's going on here? Huh? What's happening here?
They are building tents and eating.
eating together maybe.
Okay, they are
some
eating, but what? But I have here something which is more important than just eating together.
some people are sitting outside. Yes.
And where do they live here? Where are they staying?
Tent.
Where are they living?
Mr. Muhammad Saleh said
The
it's tent.
Tent.
Yes. They are living tents in tents.
Yeah, actually, after losing their houses and after the collapsing that happened to their houses and homes, they start to take these tents as homes to live in, to stay in. Okay, till they have other homes, right?
Yeah.
Great. And here, what's happening? What's going on? Already the people are taking tents as homes instead of their collapsed houses. Okay, and here we have.
I think are building construction or rebuilding engineering.
Yeah, they rebuild their houses, right? And we have here civil engineers, and they are trying to build other houses instead of the collapsed ones, right?
Hi.
Yeah. Thank you. She's great. It's great, actually. طيب this is our topic about the earthquake today. I have here
Please, Miss Nahla, how many, how much or session I want to go to pray in mosque. Aisha.
actually we are about to finish and that's all. And give me just 20 minutes. We're gonna finish in 20 minutes. But do you know how does the earthquake happen? Can anyone tell me or tell us how does the earthquake happen?
Like academic definition?
No, in a very simple way. يعني what are your thoughts about the how of the earthquake? تصورك كده عن كيفية earthquake يعني يحصل ازاي؟
دي قدرة قادر بقى.
لا واحنا نقولها بالعربي، احنا مش عارفينها بالعربي، نقولها بالانجليزي ازاي؟
volcano يعني or
I don't know, but I guess there is a collapse or in the layers of the earth.
Movement in the layers of the earth.
Yeah, movement. Yeah, that makes or appear on the surface as an earthquake.
Actually, I have many layers of the earth. Okay.
And the oceans, I think, and sea, oceans and mountains. Yes, oceans, fire under ocean.
Right, let me tell you something. Actually, please, Muhammad, close your mic because of the sound or the noise. Thank you. Actually, I have in the earth, I have many layers that are moving together like that. Okay, in a fraction, احتكاك كده, fraction, or sorry, friction. Okay, they have a friction like that, right? And they try to resist each other's. Okay, because they want to move. هم بيحاولوا هم يتحركوا. Okay, وعايزين ينفصلوا عن بعض. So they have strong movement. Okay, and after that they do like that. Okay, that, and this is the earthquake. This movement, the strong movement here, to be separated from each other's. الحركة القوية دي عشان ينفصلوا عن بعض مثلا, يعني just to move apart. ويحصل كده حالة ايه؟ تزحزح للlayers أو للطبقات ذات نفسها. Okay, actually because of that it's doing like this. Okay, this is the earthquake. الموفمنت دي الخاصة ان هم خلاص بيتحركوا من بعض كده, ده earthquake. And we have here let's say for example I think that التوابع اللي هي الافتر شوك, يعني this is the earthquake. الموفمنت دي كده يطلع كده من بعض, دي بقى اللي اسمها افتر شوك, الارتداد اللي هي الهزة الارتدادية. Okay, and after that اللي هي which is after the earthquake. يعني I have here this is the aftershock movement اللي هي الهزة الارتدادية دي بتبقى يعني it's after the earthquake. Okay, and it makes small earthquakes. ده ايه؟ هزات ارتدادية صغيرة. the aftershocks اللي هي التوابع, بنقول عليها بالتوابع. Okay, then it starts to slow down and to be stable. Okay, that's it. Right? This is how the earthquake happens. If we're gonna have its description into English, يعني very simply, the Earth's surface is divided into some huge pieces. البيسز دي بقول عليها ايه, او الطبقات الارضيه بقول عليها ايه؟ tectonic plates, اللي هي الصفائح التكتونيه, اللي هي عباره عن ايه؟ اللي هي عباره عن parts or sections of the earth layers. ودي اللي هنشوفها معانا دلوقتي. يعني كلمات كتير من اللي احنا قلناها هي اللي هنشوفها دلوقتي في الباسج اللي هنقراها مع بعض. Okay, طيب just يعني I wanna make it down that. Okay, after the movement of the plates بعد يعني these plates move very slowly all the time. Sometimes they push against each other زي ما احنا قلنا. اوكي بيتحركوا ضد بعض كده. Right? And after that they pull apart يعني بيفرقوا كده من بعض. Okay? And because of friction الاحتكاك ده they get stuck and energy builds up. بيبدأوا ان هم ايه بسبب الاحتكاك ده بيبدأوا ان هم يعملوا ايه طاقة كبيرة جدا في التحرك بتاعهم. اوكي ولما ما يقدروش ان هم يستحملوا الضغط ده suddenly they break up like this. اوكي الستورد انرجي بقى الطاقة بتبقى فيهم من كتر التحرك ده بتعمل ايه؟ بتعمل حاجة اسمها seismic waves. يعني ايه seismic waves؟ اوكي السايزميك ويفز هنا اللي هي عباره عن waves of earthquake or waves of moving اللي هي بتبقى الموجه كده اللي بتحصل في الايه في طبقات الارض موجه الزلزال ذات نفسه seismic waves. اوكي which travel through the earth بتمشي بقى ايه بيكون ليها ايه vibration كده بتمشي على مدار الطبقات الارضيه وتبدا ان هي مثلا يكون مركز الزلزال مثلا في السويس زي ما قالوا لنا. اوكي the center of the earthquake was in Suez. Right? Right. And after that, we felt the earthquake here in Cairo. ليه بقى? Why? Because of this energy that was stored, okay, in the stone and it was released as seismic waves وتم واطلقت كده واطلق صراحة كايه موجة زلزالية. خلاص هي فضلت ايه؟ اللي بيمتصها تتحرك عبر ايه؟ عبر الايه؟ الارث layers فضلت تتحرك عبر طبقات الارض وعلى المدار كده. خلاص فخلت الارض كلها ايه تهتز 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 لحد ما وصلت للقاهره هنا وحسينا بيها till it traveled sorry till it came here into Cairo and we felt it. اوكي التشيكينج بقى ده كله على ايه العمليه البروسيس دي كلها هي الايرثكويك. اوكي طيب I need someone to read with me the first paragraph. Who's gonna read؟ عايزين حد يقرا. And after that you're gonna explain. احنا عندنا معنى الايرثكويك قلناه التكتونيك بليتس قلناها السايزميك انرجي اللي هي الطاقه ذات نفسها بتاعت الزلزال اللي هي the power of the earthquake قلناها و the waves of the earthquake اللي هي seismic waves قلناها. I need someone to read the first paragraph and explain it by your own simple English words by your own language. Who's gonna read؟
دكتور نحلة معلش بس البانر اللي في الجنب دوت حركيه شويه عشان هو بس لغي اول كام كلمه وممكن
ما انا هعمل كده. لا انا هعمل كده بس انا عايزه حد بس يرد عليا الاول. Who's gonna read؟
Okay, I will read.
Okay. Let's start.
An earthquake is one of the most dangerous natural disasters. It happens when tectonic plates under the Earth's surface move suddenly. This movement releases seismic energy, which travels through the ground as seismic waves and makes the okay. Continuous.
At the very beginning, do you have here you or your wait. Do you have any one of you? Do you have any question here? Any difficult word? احنا شرحنا already معنى الكلمات اللي هي earthquake, the tectonic plates اللي هي the layers of the earth, on the seismic energy, the power of the earthquake, seismic waves, the movement of the earthquake and its power. Okay, شرحنا ده كله. Do you have any other difficult word here in these three lines?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Explain it by your own language. Go ahead.
Okay, the earthquake is a natural distress. مش عارف اكملها والله يعني انا بحاول اجيب كلام نفس الكلام الانجليزي ده يعني بحاول
don't try to speak into Arabic and don't try to think into Arabic. طب هعمل ايه هنا؟ think about the equal simple words. كل حاجه هتلاقي لها عندك في ذهنك كلمه مساويه ليها بس كلمه simple قوي ممكن تقولها بدلها. يعني مثلا disaster هنا ممكن تقول عليها ايه؟ big problem, natural disaster, a problem in the nature.
Yeah.
بمنتهى البساطة. التكتونيك بليتس قلناها اللي هي ايه؟ The layers of the earth. صح كده؟
Yes.
وقلنا كلمة energy مثلا قلنا ايه؟ power. Right?
Yes.
But just try when you explain, all of you, anyone that who's gonna read and explain, just try to use your own simple language. اكيد كل كلمه هتلاقي لها equivalent او مساوي في ذهنك بالانجلش. كلمه بسيطه جدا. Don't try to think into Arabic. No. Just try to think into English. هو ده اللي احنا عايزين نعمله. Okay? Yes.
Earthquake is a problem in natural, and she do the ground is like movement, yeah, move and shock the people and fall up the houses and hostels like that.
Yes. يعني actually excellent. يعني he tries to deliver the idea in his simple language, in his simple and his own words, in his own language, in a simple way. Okay, the earthquake, very simply, this is one of the most dangerous problems that we can have in our nature, okay, in our environment. And it happens because of the movement of, or the sudden movement of the earth layers, okay, under the surface of the earth. And this movement makes a power of an earthquake that moves through all of the ground, okay, in an earthquake waves, like the waves of the sea, and it makes the earth movement or shake, which is the earthquake. Okay, another one to read.
What?
I need another one to read the next paragraph.
Okay.
Who's gonna read?
I guess you can, like, it's an idea, like you can't choose someone to read each paragraph.
You want me to choose? And I look, I like democracy, and I'm a democratic teacher. Okay, I like practicing democracy in my sessions with my students in the classes. So I'm a democratic person. I'm a democratic teacher, and I like democracy. But if you wanted me to be a dictatorate, عايزين ابقى دكتاتورية، انا ما عنديش اي مانع يا مرحبا يا مراحب. لو عايزين كده ما عنديش مشكلة.
I don't know. I just feel that we're kind of shy. I don't know.
You are child? انت حاسس انت child?
We're kind of shy. Like
Shy. I'm sorry, معلش
Yeah.
I heard wrong. Okay. So
It's okay.
don't be shy. يا جماعة الحقيقة في العلم. مكسوف من ايه يعني؟
Okay. I'm not the one who's shy here. Like I'm talking about my friends.
Yeah, in
also.
general, maybe they are
Yeah.
shy or
Yeah.
yeah. Okay. So let's have. I don't know if she is still here or not. Ritaj. Ritaj, are you still here? Wait.
معاكي بس النت وحش بس. I'm still here.
Never mind. It's okay. So, Ritaj, can you read the second paragraph, please?
اللي هو ماشي. A strong earthquake can cause buildings to collapse, roads to crack, and infrastructure to be damaged. Scientists use the moment magnitude scale to measure the strength of an earthquake. Seismologists study
Seismologists and seismologists
study earthquake using special machines called
seismographs. Okay. I will read it. Okay, and clarify something before explaining it. Okay, listen to me, all of you. Strong earthquakes can cause buildings to collapse, roads to crack, and important infrastructure to be damaged. Scientists use the moment magnitude scale to measure the strength of an earthquake. Seismologists study earthquakes using special machines called seismographs. Type. We have explained the meaning of collapse. قلنا collapse means what? To fall
Fall of the building. Fall down,
Right.
صح؟
to fall down. Top. Infrastructure. Do you know the meaning of infrastructure? The infrastructure of a country.
البنية التحتية بتاعتها.
مش عايزة عربي. احنا عارفين بنية تحتية. Just express the idea, okay, into English and don't wait to think. Roads. What else?
شهر روتس يعني الروتس هو ايه؟
No, infrastructure is about roads, gas supply,
Schools, hospitals.
schools, hospitals,
I
the
want to say the
bridges,
internet.
the internet supply, electricity supply, or power supply, I mean, water supply, the framework of the whole of the country. Infrastructure is the framework, okay, like that. Right. Moment magnitude scale. Magnitude. What's the meaning of magnitude? You know? Let me tell you something. How do we know the power, okay, or the measure of the power of the earthquake?
by using
can
the
we know?
moment magnitude scale, صح؟
Excellent. By using the moment magnitude scale. And the magnitude here, it means the power of the earthquake. If it is 6 Richter or 5.7 Richter, هي مثلا 5 7 10 ريختر أو 6 ريختر أو هكذا يعني. The power, the strength of the earthquake, القوة بتاعته. Right? And the moment magnitude scale, what is it? Can you explain it into English?
You said the power of the earthquake.
This is magnitude, but the moment magnitude scale, the measurement
The
or the
measurement
scale,
of the earthquake.
yeah, the measurement or the scale of the power of the earthquake in its moment. هو مقياس الزلزال نفسه، مقياس قوته في لحظتها. Okay?
في الثانية.
Yeah. Right? أو في وقت الزلزال يعني. طيب. And he says here, seismologists study earthquakes. So I say that the seismologist study the earthquake or the earthquakes. So what is the meaning of seismologist? Without S. Just the one, the person who's called seismologist.
The person who study earthquake.
Just study?
The study.
He's an, can't I say an expert?
And measure the moment magnitude scale.
Okay, the person who studies earthquakes and measure or uses the moment magnitude scale to measure the strength of the earthquake. Okay, and he's an expert in the movement of the tectonic plates during the earthquakes. What can I call this person? Scientist. Seismologist is a scientist who is expert in earthquakes, who's professional in earthquakes, who makes and explains the earthquakes, the theories of the earthquakes. هو عالم الزلازل ذات نفسه. Okay?
Okay.
Using, يعني he studies, the seismologist studies the earthquakes using what? Special machines called seismographs. What is the seismograph?
A special machine which studies the earthquake.
Excellent. The special machine that studies, that measures, that notices the movement of the tectonic plates during the earthquakes اللي هو جهاز رصد الزلازل. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. طيب.
Thank
Can you explain يعني do you have any other difficult words here in this paragraph you or any other one؟ في أي حد عنده أي كلمة صعبة أو أي سؤال بخصوص الباراجراف ده concerning this paragraph or any idea or any difficult word here؟ ها؟ طيب explain ريتاج.
explain ايه تاني؟
لا explain بقى الباراجراف بقى in your own simple language. بتضحكي عليا ولا إيه؟ ده أنا قلت كل حاجة.
ما explain ايه؟ ما هو الباراجراف اصلا واضح يعني هو بيقول
معلش وضحوا لي اكتر. I want a more clarification in more simple English words and in more simple language, in simpler language. عشان خاطر معلش.
ده خاطرك ماشي.
ها
the earthquake cause collapse to the buildings.
طب ما نستخدم بقى يعني كلمة use simple words. It makes
It
the
makes
buildings
the
to fall down. ها
to fall down. Okay. And the infrastructures. اقول ايه؟ اقول كل المباني مثلا برضو ما يعني.
continue into English.
and
Don't
make the routes
wait
and
to
the
think
school
into
and
Arabic.
the
Think into simple English word. يا جماعة ده التارجت بتاعنا اللي هو ايه؟ Don't give your mind a chance to think into Arabic. No, just think about the most simple words, the simplest words that I have, okay, to explain what I have read. أفكر بس في أبسط الكلمات اللي عندي كحصيلة أو في ذهني، okay، أشرح بيها الكلمات دي. بس
building become damaged, schools, roads, all things become damaged.
Yes.
The scientist uses moment magnitude scale to measure and see what happened after the earthquake. مثلا. They measure it by using special machines.
Okay. Actually, the strong earthquakes can make, or because of the earthquakes, the buildings fall down, the roads start to, let's say, to crack or to be broken in the earth, okay? And all of the framework of the country, like buildings, roads, bridges, hospitals, schools, are destroyed because of the earthquake. And scientists use the moment magnitude scale to measure the power of the earthquake in its time, in its moment, okay? And scientists who study earthquakes use seismographs, which are special machines to notice and measure the strength of the earthquakes, okay? Thank you, Ritaj. The last paragraph, I need someone to read it and explain it. Start. Who's gonna read
Can
it?
I read?
Muhammad Saleh?
Muhammad Amir.
Muhammad Amir. We have a newcomer. Okay, start.
Okay.
Although
Also technology has improved earthquake early warning system. Scientists still cannot predict the exact time and the place of an earthquake. After a major earthquake, smaller earthquake killed aftershocks may continue for several days. Emergency responder and search and rescue teams help evacuate service or evacuate
Survivors.
survivors provide medical care and deliver emergency supplies during an earthquake. Experts recommend following the drop, cover, and hold on safety rule and keeping an emergency kit ready. Earthquake can cause serious damage, economic losses, and emotional stress. But good prevention can reduce risk and save life. معلش بقى اللي انت سمعتيه ده.
No, never mind. I'm gonna read it again, but
Okay.
please listen to me carefully to see or to figure out or to understand your mistakes. Okay.
Okay.
Although technology has improved earthquake early warning systems, scientists still cannot predict the exact time and place of an earthquake. After a major earthquake, smaller earthquakes called aftershocks may continue for several days. Emergency responders and search and rescue teams help evacuate survivors, provide medical care, and deliver emergency supplies. During an earthquake, experts recommend following the drop, cover, and hold on safety rule and keeping an emergency kit ready. Earthquakes can cause serious damage, economic losses, and emotional stress, but good preparation can reduce risks and save lives. Okay? Hi. At the very beginning, بيقول عليها بتاعت انجليزي والله مش عارفه اقول لك ايه. طيب we have here طبعا احنا قلنا earthquake and the early warning systems like Google. Do you know Google? I think Google. Last Monday before the earthquakes in the dawn or in Al-Fajr, we had early warning from Google on our smartphones Android system,
Well,
right?
I heard on the
that
tablet.
warning people before an earthquake happened.
Yes.
I heard an alarm on my brother's tablet.
Yes. Yes. And aftershocks, we have said aftershocks. What does it mean? The small, we have said it. احنا قلناها already واحنا بنشرح البيكتشر فوق. Aftershock, it means what? A small earthquake that happens after the biggest earthquake, right?
Okay.
And we have said the meaning of search and rescue team. احنا حتى شفنا الصورة يعني we have seen the picture. Search and rescue teams, okay, the teams that help the people after a collapse of a building, after an earthquake, after an attack like in Gaza, they search for the people who are alive or dead or victims or survivors and take them from under the rubbles of the building. بيجون كده من تحت الركام مثلا من تحت الأنقاض. Okay. Then we have drop, cover, and hold on. Safety rule, which is called drop, cover, and hold on. What does it mean? Do you know it? Can you guess?
I guess that means if you have anything in your hand, you should drop it and get a cover.
You hear me?
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry about this. I said, I guess it means if you have anything in your hand, you should drop it immediately and get a cover and hold on till the search and rescue team find you.
It's correct for cover and hold on, but drop, it doesn't mean to leave anything in your no. It means here to drop to get yourself in a lower position and do that. Okay. And after that, try to cover yourself under a table or something or safety or a safe surface. Then just wait in your place till it finishes. Okay, till the earthquake finishes. Okay. Right.
Okay.
And the emergency kit, I think it's clear. What does it mean? Say what comes in your mind. Don't think. Emergency kit in general. Huh?
Things that we use to cover ourselves with. No.
It's like the
Uh,
first aid kit, if you know it, that you must have in your car for any
yeah,
accident.
I was trying to explain it, but I don't know. I don't have words for it.
I think books with important thing like water, food, medicine.
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 يعني actually Muhammad Salah he tries to or he's trying to deliver the meaning in simple words.
I am not Muhammad Salah.
Muhammad Amin.
Actually, he's Amir, and he's a newcomer, and I'm so sorry for
I'm
this.
sorry. I'm sorry. man.
أنا
مش قدامي الأسماء والله عشان كده معلش. I'm sorry. So Muhammad here is saying Muhammad Amir is saying here and he's trying to explain the meaning in very simple words like a box that has medicine and I add بس دي بقى من عندي for emergency. يعني ايه الكلام ده؟ Just a box or a small bag, okay, in which you have the most important medicines or medical supplies for any emergency, like an accident, like an earthquake or something like that. اللي هي بتبقى فيها ايه؟ الادوات اللي هي بيقولوا عليها ايه؟ بالعربي مش فاكراها بالعربي.
الإسعافات الأولية.
يس. اوكي او ادوات الطوارئ يعني او شنطه الطوارئ ده اللي كنت عايزه اقول. معلش ام سوري. شوفوا من كتر الواحد ما بيفكر بالانجلش اكتر من العربي بقى في حاجات انا شخصيا معناها العربي تايه عن ذهني فبتطلع مني كده بالانجلش عادي يعني حتى لو حد سالني طب يعني ايه بالعربي انا ممكن ما اعرفش اعبر عنها بالعربي بس هي الصوره الذهنيه في ذهني كصوره لكن كمان لا يعني معنى. طيب فده اللي انا عايزاكم توصلوا له هو ده مهم جدا ان انا اعبر بالافكار بالانجلش واللي يجي في دماغي وفي ذهني اقوله. مع الوقت هتلاقوا ان اللانجوج يعني ايه بقت جزء منكم هي already life style يعني okay. طيب how can you explain this paragraph يعني either Muhammad Amir or any other one who can explain but before that do you have any difficult word here that you want to ask about في اي كلمه صعبه تشرحها غير ال bold words يعني؟
No.
Are you sure?
I don't think that there's something like difficult from these words.
It's easy for you?
I guess so.
طب wait Muhammad Amir can you explain it or is it gonna be a little bit difficult for you?
Okay but هنحاول يعني. Also يعني explain حاجات ايه طيب كلها يعني ولا اللي انا فاهمه بس
express
okay.
what you have understood from the paragraph.
Okay. Technology has improved. Earthquake warning system. Scientists still cannot know exactly. After a big earthquake, smaller earthquake, this killed, I think, aftershocks may happen for some days. Emergency team help people leave dangerous places, give medical help and food and give food and water and other important during an earthquake. People should stay safe and follow emergency instructions. كفاية كده.
Ahmed, please can you explain it please?
Okay.
But at first Muhammad Amir يعني actually it's a good try and a good job على الرغم ان هو عنده الكلمات يعني متواضعة شوية او بس هو حاول وحاول ان هو يفكر بالانجلش وده وقت ان انت او اول يعني ده let's say the first step in acquiring the English language is trying to think into English. اول خطوة صح تاخدها عشان ان انت تكتسب اللغة صح وتتكلم بيها صح هو ان انت اصلا تحاول تفكر بالانجلش. ده في حد ذاته حاجه خطوه كويسه جدا ومحاوله كويسه جدا even if it's gonna be difficult for you. حتى لو انا الموضوع هيبقى صعب عليا، حتى يعني even if I have very simple English words, why not? Just try. It's a good job. Thank you, Muhammad. Thank you, Allah.
Thank
Again.
you.
Thank you. Ahmed, please explain.
Well, at the beginning, the paragraph said that the science has improved, so the scientist can at least predict or try to know when exactly the earthquake will happen, but they cannot do this like exactly 100%. And also they try to improve the technology to make our phones or other things to help us or to give us warnings that there will be an earthquake soon. And after the earthquake happens, so we got from this paragraph that some buildings collapse or fall down. So of course there will be people under the collapse. So some teams, they try to help those people and also to give them medicine, food, as Muhammad Amir said. They try to provide everything for them, and at the end, like if we have good infrastructure, like we build the buildings correctly, and I guess also engineers have something like this to make the building prepare for any earthquake. If we took those preparation in our mind, then I guess the problems that we will get from the earthquake will be a little.
Yeah, excellent, Ahmed. Thank you. Excellent.
you.
Overall, in this paragraph, however, actually he says here that the scientists cannot still, they are still don't have the ability, or the scientists don't have the ability till now to, let's say, expect or to know if the earthquake is going to happen or not. But even though the technology has been improved to have warning systems to warn us before an earthquake, before a flood, before a hurricane, before tsunami. The same idea, we have these warning systems for all of these natural disasters. And actually, the writer here tries to clarify that after the major earthquake, we have smaller earthquake or earthquakes that happen after the major one for many days or many hours, whatever. And we have after that, after the collapsing and falling down of the buildings, infrastructure, and so on, we have some teams and some people who are trying to help this team to search for the people who are under the rubbles of the collapsed buildings and to rescue them, to give them the necessary medical care, to give them the necessary supplies like water, food, clothes, shelter like tents, and so on. And during the earthquake, there is a recommended rule. All of us must do it, which is try to get in a lower position, cover your head, try to search for something that that's gonna protect you or cover your body and your head, and just wait in your place till it finishes, okay? And you must have some emergency kits or boxes that are gonna help you in this situation. And at the end, we have here a conclusion from the writer of this passage that the earthquakes can, or actually earthquake causes a lot of damages in the economic, in the infrastructure. It's gonna damage the emotions and feelings of the people. They're gonna be afraid and so what. But on the other hand, we must be prepared well as a country, as the framework of the country, as people, as services, to confront or to stay in the front of these disasters. Okay, thank you for today. And if you have any question, please go ahead. And where are you, Mr. Muhammad Gouda?
I'm listening. I'm enjoying your presentation. It was amazing.
Thank you.
And actually, I entertained.
يا جماعة هو يعني his He's giving me a compliment. Thank you, Mr. Muhammad.
It's not a compliment. I know your job, and I know how you work and how you present your job. It was amazing effort, and I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I appreciate to have you.
أنا كان نفسي أخش في النص كده، يعني في الجزء بتاع اللي هو magnitude.
Magnitude, yeah.
أنا كنت هخش في النص لأن أنا حسيت إن أحمد هيقول مثلا إن ده بيقيس درجة هزات مثلا للرأس، فده بما إنه كان بيتكلم كده على هزات الرأس الجنس اللي بيطلع له.
Yes.
فيعني انا كنت عايز اخش اهزر بس لقيت الوضع انتوا مركزين، فقلت بلاش بقى اطلعهم من التركيز عشان ايه يعني.
I want to know their. I want to know. And now I have known Mr. Muhammad's feedback about the topic and all of the process. But I need to know your feedback as Muhammad Amir, as Ahmed, as Ritaj, as Ibrahim, as Muhammad. I need to know your feedback about the whole of the process. Yeah, if it is interesting or boring or good or bad or whatever your opinion, I accept it. I need to know your feedback.
مستر إبراهيم، عشان مستر إبراهيم دخل معانا في وقت قصير، هو ما دخلش معانا من البداية. مستر إبراهيم منشاوي.
ايوه،
أخبار حضرتك إيه؟
الحمد لله بخير. اخبار حضرتك ايه؟
ممكن تقول لنا عرفتنا إزاي أو عرفتنا منين؟
وانا صراحة عرفت من على الفيسبوك. تمام. دخلت على لينك، لقيت لينك واتس، دخلت عليه ودخلت على جروب الواتس. انا كان عندي شغل وكده فدخلت متأخر، انا اسف.
لا ازاي، نورتنا، تخش في اي وقت.
بجد انا كنت عايز ادخل من بدري بس ملحقتش يعني، بس ان شاء الله يعني افضل معاكم يعني المرات الجاية ان شاء الله يعني من بدري
ان شاء الله. طيب انت حضرت معانا الجزء الاخير بتاع الباراجرافز صح؟
حضرت اخر
طيب.
باراجراف.
انطباعك ايه؟ What's your impression about this part؟
بجد انا يعني interesting in that paragraph وبجد انا استمتعت جدا من الشرح يعني حضرتك استاذ نهلة صراحة، وفهمت صراحة، وكنت يعني ان شاء الله اشارك ان شاء الله في المرات الجاية ان شاء الله يعني. وبجد يعني شرحك بسم الله ما شاء الله يعني استاذ نهلة يعني.
Thank you.
شكرا استاذ ابراهيم. مستر محمد امير، حضرتك برضو دخلت معانا تقريبا بعد ما بدانا بفتره، بس حضرتك الحمد لله شاركت معانا وكانت مشاركه الصراحه يعني احنا مقدرينها جدا. عايزين نعرف بقى حضرتك برضو عرفتنا منين؟
من عن طريق الواتساب. في كام او احنا كلنا شلنا نعرف بعض يعني. ريتاج اعرفها، احمد اعرفه، زياد برضه اللي كان موجود
انا
هنا.
اللي جايبهم لك انت عارف.
الله يبارك فيك.
يعني هي بتقول ان حضرتك انا عايزه نسبه.
والله كفايه مجهوداتكم، والله كفايه تعبتين.
ربنا يخليك يا ريتاج، ربنا يخليك يا رب.
أنا بصراحة يعني I really enjoyed the session and it was very useful and
thanks.
I learned a lot from it. Thank you for your time and effort.
We would be grateful if you join us in the next webinar.
إن شاء الله.
إن شاء الله. We will wait for you. طبعا أحمد أنا عارفك، أستاذ محمد صالح حضرتك الحمد لله.
احنا عايزين ناخد آرائهم كلهم.
إيه؟
لا أنا كده موجود يا دكتور.
No, I need your feedback. I need the feedback from each one here.
قولي الفيدباك. أيوه قولي الفيدباك.
حاضر. بعد أستاذ محمد إن شاء الله.
محمد صالح.
محمد صالح.
السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله. تقبل الله. أنا يعني خدت بالي إن حضرتك طلعت عشان تصلي.
لا ما صليتش والله. أنا سمعت.
طلعت ليه بقى؟ تعالى لي بقى. طلعت ليه بقى؟ ده لو أنت راح يصلي يعني.
ما طلعتش، أنا موجود. أنا موجود. أنا ملتزم بالرولز يعني، ما بقى أنا كده طبعا يعني. أنا ميس نهلة كانت بتديني في كورسات من حوالي 3 سنين باين، وشفتها على الفيس وهي عندها على الواتس، فشفتي كمان كده، فقلت ارجع تاني خصوصا ان هي مس نهلة يعني كان في بيك جراوند درست لي من في احد المنصات اللي تبع مش فاكر كانت اسمها ايه باين كده، وكانت بتدرس لي بتدرس لي من 3 سنين باين اعتقد. ف يعني انا قلت يعني ليا مراحل بالانجليش ده من سنين، واحد صغير فشويه يطلع وشويه ينزل، فقلت نجرب كده يعني. لقيت نزلوا لي على الواتس اللي هو الكوميونتي ده، او اللي هو اللي على الواتس ده، فقلت وقالوا ان في النهارده وكده، فجيت من الشغل والله وقلت هنشوف كده، حتى ما فيش حد عندي، العيال مش في البيت حتى النهارده، فقلت فرصه يعني.
فكرة تسلك.
طب انا عايزه بقى محتاجه اعرف الفيدباك الخاصه بالنهارده بالويبينار، يعني استفدت ما استفدتش، يعني was
لا
it useful interesting or not؟
لا استفدت طبعا، استفدت، بس انا كمحمد انا نسيت يعني، ولكن اللي بسترجع الكلمات وبسترجع. انت لما اول ما اتكلمنا قلت الحاجات سيمبل يعني ببساطه جدا وكده، ولكن طبعا لا طبعا حاجات كتير، الاكسبريشنز اللي هي الكولابس والحاجات اللي انتوا بتحطوها دي، هي دي حاجات مهمه وكده، ودي كانت بتتصعب عليه اي حد بالنسبه لينا احنا كمبتدئين، او حد وصل
بس فهمتها اوريدي بالسمبل انجلش ويرز اللي هي اوريدي عندك في الباك جراوند.
اوكي فهمتها طبعا يعني. زائد كمان ان في عندي ملحوظه لاحظتها، ان اللينك اللي احنا دخلنا عليه ده غير اللي كنا بنخش ويعمل زوم ومش زوم. انا دخلت على اللينك لقيت نفسي دخلت على طول، يعني اتفضل مرحبا بيك على طول كده، من غير اي بقى ايه انقطاع وزوم وحمل ومش حمل. في تطور دلوقتي، انا ملاحظ ان دلوقتي اللينك اول ما دوست عليه لقيت نفسي جوه عندكم. ما انا الاول كان زوم ومش زوم واعمل وقطع والبرنامج تقيل
احنا بس
اساسا.
نقول لكم اهلا يا عرب، اتفضل اشرب معانا شويه شاي بس كده.
لا لاقي ان الموضوع يعني بقى فيه يعني من 3 سنين ما كانش فيه الكلام دوت يعني، كانش فيه.
احنا كنا مقررين يا استاذ محمد ان احنا نختار اسهل منصه او اسهل مكان ممكن الناس تخش عليه على طول، من غير ما يضطروا يحملوا البرنامج على التليفون يزود مساحه او يعمل اي حاجه. احنا كانت اول ويبينار لينا على مايكروسوفت تيمز، بس لقينا ان في ناس كتير قالت لا ده المنصه وحشه، او لازم يخشوا يعملوا شويه خطوات رخمه شويه. رحنا غيرنا على طول بعديها، قلنا لا نخش على ميت، لان معظم الفونز اللي مع الناس هي اوريدي معموله بجوجل ميل اللي هي الجيميل، فهتبقى سهله على الناس كلها تقريبا بنسبه كبيره ان هي تخش على الويبينار بتاعنا وتحضره. ما يعني ملحوظه كويسه من حضرتك ان حضرتك لاحظت ان الموضوع سهل، واحنا ده اصلا كان هدفنا في الاول لما جبنا ده يعني.
ما انا حضرتك، ما انا عشان كده بقول لحضرتك يعني، دي اللي لاحظتها، بخصوصا ان انا من 3 سنين حتى كانت ميس نهله كانت بتدرس لي على زوم وكذا مره يعني كان لسه زوم ده جديد، او كان بدانا نتعرف عليه. فبلاحظ ان اول ما دخلت على اللينك ده من ضمن الحاجات ان حتى ما فيش الصوت واضح جدا، اللي الناس كلها متابعه بعضيها، ممكن حد يخرج او الكلام ده بس يطلع تاني، يعني ما فيش فرق بينك وبين طبعا مش زي ما احنا قاعدين مع بعض كده او كده، بس قريب قوي يعني، مش زي زوم وكده. وانا يعني بصراحه سعيد يعني
احنا اسعد ان حضرتك شرفتنا النهارده، ربنا يخليك يا استاذ محمد.
انا والله يعني كمان هي درست لي من 3 سنين، فطبعا انقطعنا لظروف كتير يعني، وهي يعني عارف الظروف يعني، كلنا كده يعني، بس يعني نتمنى يعني ان شاء الله الدنيا تبقى كويسه.
الله يخليك ان شاء الله.
احمد
بمصري تاج.
احمد ما قالش يعني، احمد didn't say his feedback.
احمد تعالى حبيبي.
مستر محمد خلاص يا مستر محمد، خش على باشمهندس ريتاج.
احمد بليز يلا عشان نختم بعديك ريتاج.
والله يعني
وما هو مستر محمد دليل ما قالش الفيدباك.
لا
قال.
الحمد لله. May Allah reward you with something very very good in your lives. آمين. and والله أنا استفدت الحمد لله النهاردة. ممكن بس أفتكر الكلمة بتاعت الحطام تاني، أنا عايز أسجلها.
رابلز. هتلاقوا البي دي اف هنبعته لكم ان شاء الله في كل الفوكاب
تمام،
ان ديتيل كلمه كلمه موجوده في الباراجراف، بس هي رابل ممكن ما تكونش موجوده، بس هي رابل RUBBLE رابل.
ممكن نبعتها على الجروب لوحدها منفصله ونكتب اسمها.
واسمي جنبيها بقى يعني.
ونعمل لك
my eyes.
نعمل لك ماشي.
بس بجد والله يعني انا استفدت جدا النهارده، وتسلم ايديك والله على المجهود دوت. انا ما كانش في يعني ما كانش بيحصل ان انا ممكن اتكلم عن توبيك معين او اشارك في توبيك معين زي كده، او يبقى في conversations. وكان من ضمن المشاكل على فكره اللي موجوده عندي ان انا ممكن اقرا باراجراف كامل، بس ما افتكرش اللي انا كنت قرأت. يعني دي برضو من ضمن الحاجات اللي انا يعني الحمد لله النهارده حسيت ان انا بتدرب عليها. فتسلم ايديكم يا رب، وكتر الف خيركم يا رب. تسلم.
ربنا يخليك. امال زين اخوك فين بس؟ تعالى الاول قبل ما تيجي.
كنت اجري. والله هو الاكل ندى
اه الاكل اللي ندى برضه.
والله.
Thank you Ahmed. Thank you Ahmed. Ritesh, what's your feedback about the webinar today? Was it interesting or boring, or useful or not for you?
لا very interesting و very useful. والله هو تحفة جدا. يعني أنا بقالي كذا مرة كنت عايزة أخش، كنت بقعد أقول اسم محمد كذا مرة إن أنا كنت هاجي يقول لي ما
فاتك
جيت
كتير يا
دخلتش ليه؟
ريتاش، فاتك
فاتك
كتير المرة
كتير
اللي فاتت.
والله، بس كل مرة يقول لي أقول له والله هدخل بس ما أعرفش إيه اللي بيحصل بقى.
احنا
فالنهاردة
فاتنا الويبينار اللي فات بصراحة. انا شفت نص او تلات ارباع على اليوتيوب، ما لحقتش اكمل. بس لا يعني ده فاتنا، ده وش ده كده كده.
هتتعوض ان شاء الله. الويبينار اللي جاي هيتعوض ان شاء الله.
ان شاء الله.
إن شاء الله نبقى معاكم دايما. يعني هاجي أنا
ماشي.
وأجيبهم كلهم معايا، ما تقلقوش.
اتمنى بس تكون ريتاش استفادت النهارده زي ما بتقول وتكون استمتعت.
لا والله استفدت جدا يعني.
ثانك يو.
احنا ان شاء الله هنشوفكم المره الجايه، وهيبقى برضو في تنبيه كده برضو على الجروب. هيبقى على مدار بقى الكام يوم اللي جايين اللي قبل الويبينار، يوم الاحد الجاي ان شاء الله برضو الساعه 8:30. عايزينكم بقى تبقوا يعني مستعدين. هنناقش موضوع كويس فيه، يمكن موضوع برضو يخص ازاي بتنطق وازاي ان انت تحاول تقرا الكلمات بشكل اسهل. فالموضوع هيبقى ان شاء الله كويس، وهيبقى مفيد لناس كتير، بحيث ان احنا لما نشوف كلمه من اول مره نقراها. احنا متشكرين جدا لانكم معانا، ومتشكرين جدا ان انتوا انضميتوا لينا النهارده واستحملتونا. وان شاء الله المره الجايه تكونوا موجودين معانا برضو وتستفيدوا مننا اكبر استفاده ان شاء الله. متشكر جدا ليكم يا جماعه.
ثانك
ان شاء الله.
يو. ثانك يو اول اوف يو.
انا كان عندي سؤال بس بليز، يعني ممكن
اتفضل.
يعني هو السؤال يعني على السريع كده، يعني شو الديتيلز، يعني او عاوز اعرف بعد كده مثلا الدنيا هتبقى ماشيه ازاي او كده يعني، ولا مش دلوقتي ولا لما نحضر
الويبينار اللي جاي ان شاء الله بعديه هيبقى فيه كل التفاصيل، هتنزل على الكوميونتي وعلى الجروب ان شاء الله، وممكن كمان تنزل على الجروب بتاع البيج بتاعت الفيسبوك.
انا بس يعني مش صبور، فعاوز بس ايه بعرف الجديد على طول يعني، عشان بس ايه
كل حاجه هتعرفها ان شاء الله، ما تقلقش.
ان شاء الله يعني يوم الاحد الجاي ان شاء الله زي النهارده كده في
الويبينار اللي جاي ان شاء الله يوم الاحد زي النهارده، ومستنيين حضرتك. دي اول حاجه. تاني حاجه ان شاء الله بعد الويبينار هنبدا بقى ان احنا نقول لكم كل العروض اللي حضرتك او الاسئله اللي حضرتك عايز تسال عليها، اسال عليها، وان شاء الله هنجاوبك ساعتها عن كل حاجه
ان شاء الله.
هو المفروض الحاجات دي تبقى على الكوميونتي اوريدي، في ناس هترد عليكم على الجروبس على الكوميونتي او حتى على الفيسبوك. خلاص. كل اي اسئله عن اي باكج او كده طبعا بيبقى الرد موجه للشخص اللي سال، سواء على الفيسبوك او انستجرام او الكوميونتي او جروب واتساب.
تمام.
انا بس كنت عايز اسال سؤال.
اتفضل.
وانا عشان كنت داخل متاخر يعني وكده، فكنتش عارف يعني في الاول كان ايه النظام يعني وكده، فكنت دخلت متاخر يعني، كنت عايز اعرف بس يعني في الاول حصل ايه، بس يعني سريعا بس.
اشرح ولا تشرح يا دكتور؟
هو مش تشرح يعني
لا انا مش قصدي هشرح الليسن.
انا فاهم. ايوه
قصدي اشرح لك اللي حصل في هو احنا مين.
هي الموضوع بمنتهى البساطه. كنا يعني بص، هو الموضوع بسيط يعني. كان بناخد تكنيكس هاو تو ثينك ان انجلش، ازاي افكر بالانجلش وارد بالانجلش من غير ما افكر بالعربي وما ترجمش يعني ان انا ما ببطئش حركه اللغه عندي، ان انا اسرع الموضوع عندي في اللغه بان انا ما افكرش عربي خالص واتكلم انجلش على طول. اتفرج
تمام.
على اللينك على الحلقه على اليوتيوب وهتعرف احنا عملنا ايه. هتلاقي كل
طيب
حاجه
ماشي.
هتنسى على الكومنت ان شاء الله.
ماشي، شكرا بجد.
وشير ولايك وسبسكرايب بقى.
ما تقلقش يا عيني. ماشي، شكرا.
شاكر جدا
Okay,
ليكم
thank
يا
you for
جماعه.
your home.
شكرا لكم جدا.
Thank you all and see you next webinar ان شاء الله. We're gonna wait for you, okay?
ان شاء
اوكي.
الله. احنا خلاص احنا بقينا اصحاب ميتنج خلاص.
طبعا
Yes.
اصحاب مكان يا باشا.
عيشة meeting عيشة webinar. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
مع السلامه.
شكرا.